Hello there guys, today we're in Portimao. I've got the marina at the back of me and today it's a cool 32 degrees, bit of a breeze blowing and we've come to check out Praia da Rocha. So come and join me guys. So there's a lovely view of the marina with lovely colourful houses there. In the background over there you've got Praia Grande, Ferragudo. Check our channel out guys, we've got a vlog on that one. And out in the ocean there you've got the children's aqua park. And then check this out. First one we come to is restaurant Affordable. I think there must be a chain there because I've seen a few of those up and down the Algarve. Looks fairly busy at the moment. Cracking terrace overlooking the beautiful beach, which is really wide, loads of space for everybody, loads of sunbeds to be had and umbrellas. Food smells delicious. Next one is Atlantico. Let's see what they do today. Got mussels, sardines, fillets of fish, octopus. No price on there. Let's have a quick look here. We've got grilled sirloin steak, $19.90. Fried sirloin steak in butter and garlic, Atlantico style. Garlic and roll, Laurel beef kebab, $22.90. I haven't got a clue what that is. Got mackerel fillets, that's Cavalla, €3.90. That's a cracking price. This also is very busy. Looks like they're queuing up for this one. It's a very popular one. Then just at the end of it you've got a little chill out zone. You can have a drink and wait to be served. And right near all the restaurants, they've got a boardwalk that leads to the beach, so you don't have to stomp in the sand for a few hundred meters. Next up is Marisol, also pretty busy. I'll just wait while these guys go. Few prices on the blackboard there. Sardines and potato salad, €8.50. Fillet of robalo, $9.50. That can't be right. That's sea bass, $9.50. Bifanas, pork steak and chips, €9. Arroz de tamboril, doesn't say the price. That's a monkfish rice. Let's check it out. Monkfish rice for two people, €46. You've got codfish, brash style, $15.50. The prices are all very reasonable. This is pretty busy. Got the lucky guy there, trying to make a few quid. Smells beautiful. Got a nice breeze again along the boardwalk. A little sign there saying use your ashtrays, don't put your cigarette butts out on the beach. Next up is Bonazinha, if I'm pronouncing it correct. Special hour, 11 while 12. That's for those early drinkers. $4.60 for a large beer, $1.90 for a small one. Let's check the price of the sangrias out. Pursuit Rosé Sangria, €8.90. That must be for a glass or half a litre. Cocktails, 5 till 7, $9.50. This also is quite busy. I'm looking at the food, but like generous portions. Then in the background there, we've got a hotel with a beautiful terrace overlooking the beach. Looks like it's got a swimming pool on there. I'll try and get in a little bit closer. Can't see much on the screen, guys, because of the sun, but it does look excellent. There's one set back a little there. Nice terrace. Some nice chill out music in the background. Do special summer salads, pizzas, sangrias. It's called Rashido Bar or Rashido Beach Bar. Check the prices here, guys. They do the poke bowls, 18 euros. Never had one of them yet. Just do your chicken sandwiches. Oh, chicken veal steak sandwich, 16 euro. That's pretty expensive. Pizzas start at 10 euros. Let's take a trip on the beach. Let's try to come out. There's some water sports. There's another couple of 100 meters down the beach there. Got the lifeguards. And a stunning beach. First time here at Praia da Rocha. And we have had a few of our viewers asking us to come and do it because they've never been either. Well, there you're seeing it as I'm seeing it, guys. Beach is huge. Not too clustered as other beaches are in the Algarve. Sea's looking very inviting. I've had to stomp in the sand to where all the water sports activities are. Got the pedal boats out there, jet ski just taking off, and this is where you can rent the pedal boats. Not too sure how much they are. So there's all the pedal boats, guys, with the slides on. But fantastic, them. You can rent jet skis, and I don't know what they're called. We used to call them banana boats, but obviously they're not banana shaped anymore. Them circular floats where you tie you onto a boat and you crack on at high speed. Looks absolutely amazing. This part of the beach is a lot busier. So you got all your life vests here for when you rent the jet skis. Yeah, cracking little places. And then back on the boardwalk, there was a little bit of a break in the restaurants, that's why I came on the beach. It looks like they're all clustered together right up to we get to them rocks up there. So let's go and check them out, guys. And in the background you've got all the hotels, and I do believe there's even a casino here. Cheap sunbeds to rent, €8 a person all day. That's excellent value for money. Can have a massage, 30 minutes, €30. It's a lovely breeze today. It's the first one we come to again here. Castellino, very, very busy. If you know this area, guys, and you'd like us to do a food review, then drop a message in the comments below. And good news for you guys that like the food reviews, Our next one, or our first one for a long time, will be coming out on Friday, the 29th of August. So hit that notification bell, be notified when we upload it. And if you guys like our walking tours, smash that subscribe button, guys. Next up, tropical restaurant. These are all clustered a lot closer together down this end. This one's looking busy. This one's quite busy. Started to blast some music out in the background there. Pick a pal, €8.50. That's a spicy steak, that's excellent value for money. Got the salmon, €18. Tuna, €18. Golden bream, $18.50. Really good value for money on a frontline restaurant. Yeah, plenty of people in there, guys. Smells beautiful. I always come and do a walking tour along restaurants when I'm starving. And you've got periodically the lucky guys set up camp along the boardwalk. See if they can snatch a few quid off you. They got the football t-shirts, CR7. What's this one? Cocoa restaurant, tapas. Got pastas from $12.50, pizzas from $11.50. Bacalhau with vegetables, $16.50. Fillet of fish, $12.50. That's with potatoes. It's excellent value for money. You do a happy hour. Doesn't say the time or the price, but they do the normal caipirinhas, mojitos. That one's not as busy. Cocktails and drinks, sangria, pizzas and snacks. So you like that one. The maize rise, the clams. Doesn't say how much, but for a small beer, $2.50. For a caneca, €4. A little bit more expensive than I'd like to pay. Castella Restaurant Bar, Praia da Rocha. Happy hour. 3 till 7. Cocktails, €10. That's really nice, that place. And then up above there, you've got the promenade with loads more bars and restaurants. It's just a quick one, guys. Thanks to everyone that supported our channel. So if you liked our content and you'd like to make us to make more content, you can help us out by buying Sue a Sangria. It's normally called Buy Me a Coffee, but you know Sue doesn't drink coffee, only Sangria. Anything we do get, guys, goes straight back into the channel to create more content for you guys. So we've got more of the lucky guys here, mainly selling football t-shirts. I don't really know the price of them, I daren't ask because I'll end up buying one. Spot 3, that's looking very busy. Smells delicious. Portuguese ragu of fish for 2 people, $44.90. Cataplanas for 2 people, $49.50. Not bad price really. They do the poke bowls, I've still never had one of those, $15.90. Love a little restaurant. Typical Portuguese style. Let's speak up a little bit with the music in the background. Got more of the lucky guys. Restaurant Au Joie. It's like a nice chill out place that. There's tapas. Dorada 1850. Grilled salmon 1690. That's quite reasonable. They're all pretty much around the same price, all competing with each other. It's a little bit like Montegordo, this, with the boardwalk and the many restaurants along it. And I think the other side of those rocks there's another little beach. Probably be able to get to that from the viewing point up there. So drop a message in the comments below, guys, if you'd like to try Portimao out. We got a Rocha Beach Bar. Not got too many of the windows open there. Thought they'd have them all open.
No, they're different.
Well, there's more out on the terrace than inside. It's too hot. I suppose that's the only downside about going for a meal in the peak season. It's way too hot at lunchtime to be eating. Well, it does look beautiful in rock formations. Well impressed with Praia da Rocha. Hope you guys are too. I'm just going to get a lovely viewing point up there where I'll finish the video off. So there's the view of Praia da Rocha and the boardwalk. That's the walk we've just done. Really nice. The other side, we've got another little beach cove and a beach bar. Praia da Azul, I think it's called, the beach bar. Now this little beach has a name of itself, but I'm not too sure what it is. I did pass it when I was coming in, but I forgot the name of it. But if you don't like the wide sandy beaches, you like little coves, check this place out. Hope you've enjoyed this walking tour, guys. If you have, hit that like button. If you'd like to see more of our videos, smash that subscribe button, guys. Hope to see you in the next one. Ciao for now.